Hey guys, welcome to my episode. I don't know what episode is this, but अभी मैं जा रही हूँ first to the gym और फिर मैं जाऊँगी घर, फिर बैडमिंटन, again the same routine. There's nothing new gonna be in my routine until I don't know when. I'm depressed. I need a trip. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my video. So आज मैं उठी हूँ बहुत जल्दी. It's 11 and I'm up, which is kind of impossible for me. So the thing is that I had to go take one of my birds for a blood test. But thankfully before we did the blood test, we understood what was the root cause and we were able to treat the issue without the blood test done. Because blood test does hurt birds and obviously blood is extracted from their body. And usually it heals more easily than humans, but still it's painful for them. That's what the vet told me. So yeah. And it is solved, thankfully, and I'm so grateful that it is solved, and I'm so happy about it that we got to know like what was that exact issue. And अभी मैं जा रही हूँ to drop someone, my mom, to the saloon, और फिर मैं जाऊँगी घर वापस. जिम मुझे आज जाना है लाइक टू द यास मॉल ब्रांच, बिकॉज मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ पे देयर स्टीम सौना आइस बाथ, एंड इन माई करेंट जिम इन वेयर हाउस nothing is there because it's like a new branch and they're still like, you know, adding things up and stuff. Hopefully they're gonna add all of this, but I might go to Yas for this because it's 11:30 and I don't know what do I do because my day usually starts at 2. This is like Abu Dhabi, mostly residential area. यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर के बैचलर्स थे एंड एक दो सिग्नल आगे इट्स मोस्टली लाइक फैमिली वाला. यहाँ पर इट्स लाइक लेबर्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिशियंस, प्लम्बर्स. देयर आर क्वाइट अ फ्यू फैमिलीज ऑल्सो बट नॉट मच. एंड अभी मैं जा रही हूँ टू द जिम. But the first thing I'm gonna do is give the cats food because I don't know अगर कोई और देता है नहीं, but I should fulfill my responsibilities of giving the food to the cat. But there is an issue with my cats कि वो लोग सिर्फ specific brands का खाना पसंद करते हैं. They don't really like all the brands. So previously they used to eat Prince and now I'm giving them Noble and they don't like Noble. They only like Prince, and that's another issue because the khana is getting wasted and there are like other cats who are actually in need who could have like had that food, but my cats are my cats in the end. उनको भी मैं खाना देती हूँ to the other cats as well, but I also give them and they are not eating. So I try to change it in Meena, they are refusing. तो अभी देखेंगे उसका क्या हो सकता है. कल का भी खाना नहीं खाया हुआ है. Gonna check that now. खाना वैसे का वैसा ही है. So done with these cats. I don't know why they don't eat it. ये आपका ही दुकान है ना? बिल्ली का खाना है 35 वाला है. 35 में 12 कार्टून आते थे. कितने का है? 40 भी नहीं. कौन सा है 45 में? प्रिंस. प्रिंस है. प्रिंस नहीं है. 45 उसका लास्ट. उससे कम नहीं होगा. 40 में मिल जाता था, 30 में भी मिल जाता था. इधर ही पहले 40 तो कर दो. 40 तो कर दो. दूसरा कोई भी कंपनी नहीं है. 45 में दिखा दो एक बार, लेके आओ. सैलमन लेके आना। अगर नहीं खाएंगे तो रिटर्न करोगे यार? ठीक है, कैश ले लो। देखो ना कोई अच्छा प्राइस मिलता है, हम बहुत लेते हैं, एटलीस्ट एक हफ्ते में 10 कार्टून लेते हैं।
आप हमारा कस्टमर है, लेकिन जो है अभी 50 में सामान थोड़ा महंगा है। जब भी सस्ता होगा इंशाल्लाह आपके लिए डिस्काउंट।
कब होगा सस्ता?
मालूम नहीं है लेकिन सस्ता होगा।
चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू। Presenting to you guys माओ का खाना, probably like they will like it, I hope. और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ to the gym finally after finishing everything. आज I'm a little bit late, it's 6:40 already. I just noticed that in this specific area in which I'm living, there are no dustbins like दूर दूर तक, and उसके वजह से लोग बहुत कचरा फेंकते हैं ज़मीन पर. And I'm gonna raise this issue in TUM, and I'm gonna see how long the government takes to maybe add a dustbin close by. इसलिए मैं सारा कचरा घर लेके जाके फेंकूँगी, because I obviously can't throw it on the road, and a lot of people are throwing it. But I think I need to raise a complaint for dustbins to be fixed, and let's see how long it takes. I successfully raised a complaint on TUM, whatever it is called. But I have not raised it as a complaint, I've raised it as a suggestion, because there are big waste bins but not the small dustbins available on the poles which are usually there in UAE. So I have requested them to like place a few in my area, because I see a lot of people littering, because there are no proper waste bins closer to like where people walk. It's only like the bigger waste bins on the corners of the road. So let's see how many days does it take for like the government to actually get notified and come and do it. I know it's going to be like so quick, but I'm just going to give you guys a timeline on how long is it going to take. अभी के लिए मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. Bye guys, signing off for today and yesterday, because I post once in 2 days, and hopefully I'm going to post regularly once I go somewhere, which I will soon.